Before conducting any earthing operations on the panel, first check that the earthing has been removed and that the main circuit breaker contacts are open. If you need to operate the circuit breaker immediately, make sure that the auxiliary supplies are on. From the tool rack, get the circuit breaker racking handle. This is the one with the square socket head. Turn the knob and fit the racking handle securely onto the shaft and rotate it clockwise until it can't go any further. This should be about 20 turns. It is important that the racking must not be stopped in any position between the service and test positions. Racking of the circuit breakers must be done smoothly to avoid shocks that could damage the mechanical interlock. If you find that the racking handle is difficult to turn, do not apply force. Rather check the interlock status and the plant philosophy again and make sure that your operating sequence is correct. Visually check that the circuit breaker is in the service position and then remove the racking handle. Open the earth shaft cover and fit the operating lever onto the hexagonal shaft. Locate the operating lever vertically, either up or down, so that you can turn it 180 degrees. Turn the lever 180 degrees clockwise until the stop is reached to close the earth switch. Ensure that the lever is moved all the way to the mechanical stop. A sound will be heard when it reaches the correct position. Switching the earth is not dependent on how fast the operating lever is moved. Verify that the cable earth switch is in the correct position by using the position indicators on the switch faceplate. Remove the operating lever. The slide cover of the operating shaft remains open if the high voltage cable is earthed. Flip the hinged cover of the double locking facility to the right and refit the padlock to prevent the earth being changed.